Hey, say hi, squirrel. Jaxon, where's the squirrel? Where is it? Where's the squirrel? Where? There he is. There's the squirrel. Where are you gonna find? Oh, there's another one way up there. You see him? You see the squirrel? Oh, okay. Careful. What'd you say, baby? Water? Yeah, you see water? You're being brave. Can you say shh? Careful. Oh, are you coming back? Okay. Careful. No. Shh, quiet. Don't go over there. Don't go over there. Don't go over there. No, baby. You keep saying shh, be quiet, but you keep yelling. Okay, you ready to go back this way? Good job. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Whoa. Gotta be careful. You are so good. You're very good at this. You're very brave. Yeah. You found a stick. Cool. We came a long way. Uh-oh, and you fell. You're okay. You got leaves all over you. Uh-oh, what is that? Uh-oh. Yep, now we're dirty. It's okay, baby. It's okay, look at mama. It's okay. Look, got a little bit ways to go. Good job. Okay. Good job. Whoa, that was long ways, huh? We went way back there. Okay, where you want to go now? Let's go get some water. Do you want some water? Okay, come on.